the radio, but it's bad, bad news. Politicians fighting and a fussing, empty promises and empty interviews. So I pick up a magazine, but it's bad, bad stuff. Celebrities, nobodies, empty lives, how come they're never rich enough? I need some inspiration. I don't need the latest sensation. Give me something real, something I can feel. I need something I can use. Oh, how I need the blues. So I turn on the TV set. I get a perfect view. I watch a commercial world with perfect people, where the sky is always blue. And I read the headline news. It's not what I wanna know. Misinformation, disinformation, lies and libel. Just watch the circulation grow. I need some inspiration. I don't want the latest sensation. Give me something real, something I can feel. I need something I can use. Oh, I need the blues. Oh, yes I do. I need Albert Collins and Albert King, John Lee Hooker, Robert Craig. I need Money Walker, Junior Wells, Etta James. I need Billie Holiday. I wanna hear Rory Gallagher, Buddy Guy, T-Bone Walker. I wanna hear the Howlin' Wolf. Well, that's my medication when I need a dose of the truth. Robert Johnson, Leroy Carr, and Otis Spann. I need Little Wonder, Mr. Cole, and good old Stan the Man. Give me Greedy, Clapton, Beck and Page, and the Sonny Boys, 1 and 2. Well, they're my meditation when I need to hear the truth. It's too easy to say things ain't what they used to be, but sometimes it gets so lonely for a thinking man like me, when all you get is angles and they make entertainment out of news. I can't help but wonder whatever happened to the simple truth. I need some inspiration. I don't want the next